Welcome guys. Today I'm gonna drive around my losi Mini T a little bit more with these brand new spoked tires I got. They're way better than the stock tires in the first place, but just now look how worn the stock tires are from me using it. Yeah, it's smooth. So I saw these and I just had to get them. So I did. And it's way better. So I'll just drive it around a little in the dirt today and show you guys just how cool it really is. Alright, here we go. There's so much more grip. It's actually competent now. This thing will pull wheelies on carpet. It's crazy. There's so much grip. It doesn't do too well on grass though. It's just so small. Thankfully today, with these cars, they come with some easy to control one-handed ones that it's just a lot better than Traxxas controllers when you're trying to do it one-handed. So, yeah. Come on. Come on. Nope. Let's see. Ooh, open dirt. Come on, come on. These things get caught on everything because they're so small. Oh, it's such a cool car. Are you kidding me? Bruh. Ah, so hard. What are you even stuck on? Okay. That. Okay, whatever. Okay, buddy. As grippy as these tires are, the chassis still gets hung up. So that's probably it for this video. I definitely recommend these awesome tires. So yeah, if you want to see more of it, just subscribe, and if you have any other ideas for any of my cars you've seen, just say them in the comments. Like making I have a TRX4. I can make it brushless if I wanted to, so if you guys want to see that, then just let me know in the comments. Alright, see you guys later.